Today we're gonna learn how to talk about the days of the week and the seasons in Persian. سلام به همگی دوستان. Hi guys, welcome back. As promised, today we're gonna learn how to talk about the days of the week and the seasons in Persian. I also have another video that I talk about how to say the time in Persian, so I'm gonna put the card over here so you can check it out later. So, grab your tea, grab a piece of paper, and let's get started. Before I teach you the words, I want to mention one very important point here. You have to pronounce the words out loud. Don't say the words in your head. So repeat after me loudly. Pronounce the words loud so you can hear the sounds. This is going to help you to learn the words fast. Let's take a look at the days of the week. Let's start with Saturday. Saturday is shambe. 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 It is written in this way, right? And I pronounce it shambe. But in reality, the sound is a little bit different. In real world, we don't say shambe. We say shambe. Shambe, shambe, shambe. When we have n and then we have b sound, n becomes m. Right? It always like this in Persian. Shambe. So it is written shanbe, but it is said shambe. Shambe. All right. Let's take a look at the Sunday. Yekshembe. Yekshembe. The rule still applies here. Okay? So n becomes m. Yekshembe. Yek, it means one. Yekshembe. Yekshambe. 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 Monday. Doshambe. 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 Tuesday. Seshambe. 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 Wednesday. Chahar shambe. Chahar shambe. Chahar shambe. Again, we have another change of the sound. So we have chahar. It is written in this way, right? But in reality, we don't say chahar. It is a bit difficult to say it. We say char, char, char shambe, char shambe, char shambe, char shambe. Let's take a look at the Thursday. Again, it is written like this. Panj shambe, panj shambe, panj shambe, panj shambe. But in reality, we say panshambe, panshambe. It sounds like pan shambe, pan shambe. We don't pronounce the j. It is a little bit difficult to put these n and j sounds together. Panj shambe. We have to make an effort. But in order to make it a little bit easier for us to say it, in reality we say pan shambe, pan shambe, pan shambe, pan shambe. And the Friday, jum'e, 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 jum'e. Now, you might ask, why did I start from Saturday, not from Monday? The week starts from Saturday, not from Monday. So people go to work from Saturday to Thursday. And only Friday, Jum'e, is the weekend. However, some companies are closed on Thursdays. but a lot of companies work on Thursday. It's not always the rule. However, Thursdays, I can say maybe 90% of the companies work half of the day. So on Thursday, people work half of the day, and on Friday they are off, they don't go to work, and they start from Saturday. All right? Now, let's talk about the seasons. Let's start with spring. Bahar, bahar, bahar. Bahar, summer. Tabestan, tabestan. It is written like this, but there is a little bit of change. Tabestan. Usually, tan in Persian becomes tun. Tabestun, tabestun, tabestun. We want to say things fast and we want to make it convenient for ourselves, so we change a little bit of sounds. But there are patterns behind it. So with practice, you're gonna pick up the patterns. So summer is one of them. Tabestan becomes actually, in reality, we say tabestun, tabestun, but it is written in a different way. Now let's take a look at the autumn, my favorite. Payız, payız, payız. And the last one, winter. Zemestan, 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 zemestan. Zemestan, actually, it's reality, we say zemestun, zemestun, zemestun. All right. Easy, right? Don't forget to pronounce the words loud and practice them. With time, you're gonna get better. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share your ideas and opinions in the comment section. I'm gonna read them all. All right, see you next time. Khudafiz.